So now let's say you have all of your data inserted from your survey and you want to create a graph. So you have a T-chart right here. The T-chart is just the base for your graph, and you'll need to select the entire T-chart to actually create a graph. So if you look, you can just start by dragging from the top corner to the other bottom corner. And now you selected the whole T-chart, which you can see has a blue line around it all the way around the outside. And that's a sign that it's going to graph all of that data. And then you're going to need to click this button right here where it says Insert Chart. If you hover over top, it'll show you Insert Chart. And when you click that, it'll automatically spit out a graph that it thinks you want. You can resize that and then go into Chart Type. And you can select different types of graphs that will change the look of the graph. And this is what we're exploring. What is the kind of graph that you think displays the data effectively? There's double line graphs, there are bar graphs, you can even select some double bar graphs, and down here, if you click pie chart, for example, 3D pie chart, you're going to need to be careful because this one didn't separate the data between the two columns, the internet consumption and the video game consumption. Those aren't represented here. So if you do create a pie chart, you'll need to select two of the columns, and then it should you should be able to create two graphs based on the T-chart. So just be careful. Don't automatically assume that it did it properly because it is automatic, and so sometimes you'll have to go back and reselect the data if it didn't graph it properly.